Welcome to Auto Restore. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome not loading website.
Fix 1. Clear cache and cookies. Step 1. Open Chrome, click 3 dots. Step 2. Go to Settings, Privacy, and Security. Step 3. Click Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images, /files plus cookies. Hit Clear. Fix 2. Reset Chrome settings. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Scroll down and click Reset Settings. Step 3. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset. Fix 3. Disable extensions. Step 1. Go to Chrome, // extensions. Step 2. Turn off all extensions. Step 3. Reload website. Enable extensions 1 by 1 to find the issue. Fix 4. Flush DNS and reset network. Step 1. Press Windows plus R. Type CMD. Press Enter. Step 2. Run this. IP protocol configuration /flush. And Step 3. Restart your PC. Fix 5. Turn off VPN or proxy. Step 1. Disable any VPN app. Step 2. Go to Settings, Network, and Internet Proxy. Step 3. Turn off Use a proxy server. Fix 6. Update Chrome. Step 1. Click 3 dots, Help about Google Chrome. Step 2. Install updates. Step 3. Restart Chrome.